Jacob, that's Dixie's. Give that back to Dixie. Here you go, Dixie. Good girl. You're such a little stinker. Where are you going with that, Jacob? Jacob, give that back to Dixie. That's Dixie's. Give it back to to Dixie. Good job, Jacob. Good job, Jacob. You did good. Jacob. Jacob, that's Dixie's. You need to give that back to Dixie. Good job, Jacob. Jacob. Jacob, that's Dixie. Go give it back to Dixie. How does that taste? Does it taste good? Yeah. Good job, Jacob. Good job. Good job. No, Jacob, that's Dixie's. Jacob, give it back to Dixie. You little stinker. Jacob, give it back to Dixie. Come on, give it back to Dixie. Does that taste good? Jacob, we gotta give this back to Dixie. It's Dixie's. And this is what goes on all day. Right, Jacob? Right.